Welcome to a quick overview of GoalEnvision's organization feature and how you can easily link strategic goals to your organizational structure. This video will guide you through visualizing and managing your organization, as well as connecting units to specific goals for increased clarity and accountability. In GoalEnvision, you can easily visualize your organizational structure using an interactive chart. Here you can add, edit, and organize units at different levels of the hierarchy. By using the various functions, you can customize the structure to fit your specific business needs. When you click on a unit in the organization chart, you can edit details such as the unit's name, who is responsible for it, and add key personnel and work groups. This allows you to keep all information up to date and relevant. GoalEnvision also offers an alternative view similar to a file structure on a computer. Here, you can see each unit in detail, with responsible persons and key personnel clearly listed. This view gives you a clear overview of who is involved in each part of the organization. One of the most powerful features in GoalEnvision is the ability to link strategic goals to specific units within the organization. When creating or editing a goal, you can easily select which unit should be responsible. This ensures that each goal has a clear owner and that the entire organization is aligned towards the same objectives. With GoalEnvision, you can optimize your organizational structure and ensure that strategic goals are effectively distributed across your business. Thank you for watching, and feel free to visit our website to learn more about how GoalEnvision can help you achieve your goals.